Why settle for just any fence when you can have the best? Discover why FG Fencing is the GTA's most trusted name in fencing. Picture this, a sturdy, beautiful fence that not only secures your property, but also boosts its curb appeal. That's the dream, right? Well, at FG Fencing, we make that dream a reality. For over 25 years, we've been the go-to experts for homeowners, businesses, and industrial clients in the Greater Toronto Area. Why? Because we believe in quality, craftsmanship, and customer satisfaction. Whether it's wood, wrought iron, or chain link, our custom solutions are designed to meet your specific needs. And it's not just about looks, our fences are built to last, but don't just take our word for it. We've been voted best in Toronto and featured on popular shows like Holmes Makes It Right and Breakfast Television. That's not just fame, that's trust earned through years of hard work. When you choose FG Fencing, you get more than just a fence. You get a partner in your project from start to finish. From design to installation, we guide you every step of the way. Our craftsmanship turns fences into works of art you'll be proud of. And here's the kicker, we're just a phone call away. Ready to transform your property? Get a free quote today. For quality fencing you can trust, contact FG Fencing, one of the GTA's most trusted. Secure your property, enhance your space, and rest easy, because good fences make great neighbors.